Today we will see D flip-flop to T flip-flop. Okay. So what are the three steps, mandatory steps for conversion is, first one is consider the truth table for destination flip-flop and extend it as excitation table of source flip-flop. Second step is draw the K-map for source flip-flop. Input variables, it will provide expression for conversion. Third one is draw the circuit according to the K-map expressions. Okay, now we will see D flip-flop to T flip-flop. So D flip-flop, D to T flip-flop. Okay, so we will convert D flip-flop to T flip-flop means, so D is the source flip-flop and T is the destination flip-flop. Okay, first, what is the first step? We have to write the destination flip-flop truth table. So here destination flip-flop is T flip-flop. So truth table for T flip-flop is T Qn plus 1. So it is 0, 1. So don't case here. So T flip-flop means we will get Qn and Qn bar. One is no change and this one is toggle. So this is the truth table for T flip-flop. Okay. This is the truth table for this is the truth table. Truth table for T flip-flop. Now we will write the excitation table for D flip-flop. So excitation. So excitation table for T flip-flop. So excitation table starts with present state Qn plus 1 and T. So that means 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. For 0 0 excitation table, we have to remember 0 1 0 1. Okay. This is the excitation table for T flip-flop. So while conversion, we have prior knowledge about truth table and excitation table. Already we derived truth table and excitation table for each flip-flop. Okay. After that, what we do is we have to extend the truth table. So here don't care means either 0 or 1. We have to extend here. So this one is T Qn plus 1. Okay. Then it is D. So we know that T is equal to this one 0. We have to write as it is. Then don't care, instead of don't care, we are writing 0 or 1. Okay. One possible condition. And this one 1 0. So 1. So don't care means 0 or 1. Okay. Then we will find the Qn plus 1. That is next state we will find. In T flip-flop, if input is 0, what is the next state? Next state is the same state only. That is whatever there in the present state, same state will occur at the output side. That means no change condition whenever T is equal to 0. So whenever T is equal to 0, so no change means 0 will come as it is and 1 we will it will come as it is. Okay, 1 it will come as it is. Then if T is equal to 1, output of the next state is Qn bar, that is present state is complemented. Here present state is 0 whenever t is equal to 1. It is complemented means it is 1. Here 1 is complemented means it is 0 because t is equal to 1. Next state is qn bar. Okay. So this is the extended. Then we will find the d. When 0 0, if qn and qn plus 1, if 0 0 means we will get here 0. So we will write it as 0. If 1 1 means we will get 1 1 means here 1. We will get 1, and 1 0 means we will get 0. We will get here 0 1. 0 1 means we will get 1, and 1 1 0. 1 0 means here 1 0 means we will get 0. So this is the 1 0. Okay. So we will get 0. So this is the, what is this one? This is the excitation table of D. Okay. From this, we will find the expression for D. How we will find? It is a two variable here, T and Qn. Both are inputs. We will find the expression for D now. So it is a two variable means two variable K map. So this is the two variable K map. So this one is T and Qn 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now we will fill the square boxes according to D output. Here 1 1 we will get at what instant. So if t is equal to 0 and qn is equal to 1, t is equal to 0 and qn is equal to 1 means this one. Okay. Then second instant, when d is equal to 1, we will get if t is equal to 1 and qn is equal to 0. If t is equal to 1 and qn is equal to 0 means this instant we will get. So from this we will find, so diagonal mapping is not possible means we have to map individually here and here. So by mapping this one we will get T bar. So first row means T bar and Qn. By mapping this one we will get second row means it is T and first column means Qn bar. Okay. So this one we will get. So finally we will write it as D is equal to T T bar Qn plus T Qn bar. Okay, this is the expression for D. So we have D flip-flop. From that, we have D flip-flop. We have to convert D flip-flop into T flip-flop. So D flip-flop may be like this here. So it is the D is the present state Qn, complement of the present state Qn bar. Okay, then what is D here? D means, so it is look like T XOR Qn because we know that A dash B plus A B dash is nothing but A XOR B. So we write it as T XOR Qn. So that means this is the XOR gate. XOR gate is given to D here, and so this terminal is T. This terminal is T and Qn. So Qn is this one. So Qn is, write it as here, right? Then it is a, which flip-flop this one now? It is a T flip-flop. Okay. Actually we have D flip-flop. So by using this D flip-flop, now we will use it as T flip-flop. Okay, some small change here. An extra circuit is XOR circuit. Okay, even though it is D flip-flop, but function is T flip-flop. So this is the conversion of D flip-flop to T flip-flop. Okay, now we will see JK flip-flop to T flip-flop. So JK flip-flop to T flip-flop means, so T is the destination flip-flop, and JK is the source flip-flop. JK is the source flip-flop. Okay. So first step is we have to write the truth table for destination flip-flop. So destination flip-flop here is T means we have to write the T flip-flop truth table. We know that this is the truth table for T flip-flop. This one is QN, no change. This one is QN bar is toggle stage. So this is the truth table for destination flip-flop. Now we will write the excitation table of JK flip-flop. So excitation table of JK flip-flop means this one JK, this one is QN plus 1 JK. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So JK means excitation table means we will get as it is here 0 1 and it is don't guess. So this one is don't care, this one is don't care. Then we will reverse. So XK is don't care, 1, 0. So this is the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Okay, then we will extend this truth table T, QN plus 1 and JK. Okay, so T is equal to 0 here. Don't care means either 0 or 1. Okay. Then T is equal to 1. Don't care means 0 or 1. Okay. Then if 0 0, if T is equal to 0 means no change means we will get as it is. 0 as it is and 1 as it is. Qn means present state only we will get if T is equal to 0. If T is equal to 1 means present state is complemented here. Okay, present state is complemented here. That means present state is Qn, complement is here 0, complement is 1 and 1 complement is 0. Then we will find the JK here. If Qn is equal to 0, if Qn plus 1 is equal to 0, for 0 0 we will get it as, for 0 0 we will get it as 0 and don't care. 0 and don't care. For 1 1 we will get this one, don't care and 0. For 0 1, we will get 1 into don't care, 1 into don't care. For 1 0, here 1 0 we will get don't care into 1, here don't care into 1. Now we will find the expression for J and K. How to find the expression here? It is a two variable. So by using two variable K map, we will find the expression for J and K. Okay, J, will find the expression for J and Qn. Okay, it is T. So first we will find the expression for J. So this one, we have to find the expression for J means J is equal to, we have to find. So don't care here when it will occur, don't care whenever T is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1, we will get don't care. T is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1. So T is equal to 0 and T is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1 means first row, Q is equal to 1 means this one. So we will get here don't care. Then when we will get 1 here, if T is equal to 1, Qn is equal to 0. T is equal to 1, T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0 means here 1. Okay. Next, this one don't care. How we will get don't care? If T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 means second row and Qn is equal to 1 means this is the don't care. So what is the possibility to map in this two variable K map means only possibility is bottom row or second row. So this is the possibility to map this one don't care and one literal here. So we will get, so one means we will get T, only we will get T. So J is equal to T, we will get. So this is the expression for J is equal to T. Next we will find the K expression from this. So T and Qn 0, 1, 0, 1. So K is equal to, so first don't care here means if T is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 0, we will get don't care. So T is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 0, we will get don't care. Then here second don't care here. How we will get? If T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. If T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0 means this is the don't care here. Okay, we will get here second row first column. Then this one, how we will get this one? If T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1, then we will get K is equal to 1. So T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1. That means here we will get 1. Okay. So what is the possibility here? We will group together. So we will get K is also T. We will get T. So because bottom row, we will get T. So we have JK flip-flop. So JK flip-flop is like this. So JK flip-flop J, K. So Qn bar. Okay. So this is the JK flip-flop. We have availability of JK flip-flop. Now we will make it as T flip-flop. So it is a JK flip-flop. We will convert JK flip-flop into T flip-flop means some modification here. Here J is equal to T. That means, so this is the T terminal. So we know that always flip-flop we have clock here. Okay. So J is equal to T and K is equal to T. So this is one. So J is equal to T and K is equal to T. Okay. Now it is not a JK flip-flop, it is a T flip-flop. So by using JK flip-flop, now the functionality is T flip-flop now. Okay, this is the conversion of JK flip-flop into T flip-flop. Okay, then we'll see the other conversion from JK flip-flop to D flip-flop. So now we will write in your notebook how to convert. You have to try, and only you will get. So question is JK flip-flop to JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop to D flip-flop. JK flip-flop to D flip-flop. So convert. So destination is D. We have to write the D flip-flop truth table. So D Qn plus 1. So it is 0, 1. Here don't cares. So 0 means it is transparent, means we will get this is the truth table for D flip-flop. Then JK flip-flop excitation table. So JK flip-flop excitation table. So this one is truth table. Now excitation table. So excitation table for JK flip-flop means first it will starts with Qn plus 1 and JK. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now JK flip-flop means we know that how to remember excitation table means so as it is. So 0 is as it is and 1 is as it is and 0 is here 0 is don't care and this one is don't care. So this is a reverse here. Here don't care, 1, 0. So this is the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Now we will extend the truth table of D flip-flop here. So D Qn plus 1 and here JK we will take. So here D is equal to 0. So 0 instead of don't care here we are writing 0 or 1. This 0 as it is. Next case is D is equal to 1. Instead of don't care we are writing 0 or 1. Okay. If D is equal to 0, so what is the next state? D is equal to 0. Next state is 0, 0. If D is equal to 1, what is the next state? Next state is 1 and 1. Okay. Now we will find the JK here. So for 0, 0, Qn is equal to 0, Qn plus 1 is equal to 0 means for 0, 0, what is the excitation table value here? For 0, 0, we are getting 0 to don't care. For 1, 0, we are getting don't care into 1. For for 0 1, so for 0 1 means we are getting 1 into don't care. For 1 1 we are getting into don't care into 0. So this is the truth table for this is the true excitation table for JK. Now we will find the expression for J and K. So how we will find expression for J and K? Likewise. So it is a two variable. It is a two variable means so we will write this one is two variable means this one is T and this one is Qn. So 0, 0, 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now find the expression for J means so J is equal to so J is equal to so we will get here don't care. If D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1, we will get don't care. D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1. So D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1 means don't care we will get. Then 1, 1 means if D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0 means we will get 1. We will get 1. So third one is here don't care again. When we will get don't care here, if D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1, we will get don't care. Okay. If D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 1 means this is the box. Okay. So what is the possibility to map here means only this is the possibility. Okay. So we will get what we will get it is J is equal to D. So then we will find the K expression. K expression we will find. So this is two variable This one is D, this one is Qn 0101. Okay. So this one is K is equal to. So first, don't care. How we will get this don't care means whenever D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 0, we will get don't care. D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 0 means this box we will get don't care. So second, how we will get 1? If D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1. If D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1. At that time we will get here 1. So D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1. Qn is equal to 1 means we will get here. Okay. Then this don't care. If D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal, sorry, D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0, we will get don't care. D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0, we will get this don't care. So what is the possibility to map here means this is the possibility to map. So we will get this is D bar because first row means 0 means it is D bar, 1 means it is D. Here 0 means it is Qn bar, here 1 means it is Qn. Okay, we will get K is equal to D bar, J is equal to D. So we have we have JK flip-flop. Now we will convert JK flip-flop into D flip-flop. So we have JK flip-flop means write the JK flip-flop here. So this one is J, this one is K, this one is Qn, and this one is Qn bar. So we have J and we have K. So we have availability of flip-flop in our hand is JK flip-flop. Now this JK flip-flop can be converted into D flip-flop following way. So here J is equal to D. So that means J is equal to D. Okay, D is directly connected to J means it is J is equal to D. Then K is equal to D bar. Then K is equal to D bar means we have to add one NOT gate here and connect. That means if D, after that we will get here D bar. So D bar is equal to K or K is equal to D bar. So this circuit we call it as D flip-flop. Even though it is a JK flip-flop, your clock is also there. Okay, even though it is a JK flip-flop, but we will use as D flip-flop. So we are converted JK flip-flop into D flip-flop. So this is the conversion from JK flip-flop to D flip-flop. Okay. So let us summarize what we discussed in these conversions, in flip-flop conversions. So in flip-flop conversions, first we'll see in the SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop, SR flip-flop to D flip-flop, and SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. After that, we converted into T flip-flop to D flip-flop and D flip-flop to T flip-flop. Then we converted into JK flip-flop to T flip-flop and JK flip-flop to D flip-flop. So these are the conversions. So when we are going for conversions means whenever we have availability, for example, I have a SR flip-flop in my hand. So I want to use SR flip-flop as some other flip-flop. At that time, we are converting SR flip-flop into some other flip-flop. Okay, at that time only we are converting one flip-flop to some other flip-flop. Okay, so this flip-flop conversion and all we called it as analysis of sequential circuits. Analysis of sequential circuits. Okay. So these are all conversions. So next class we will see registers. So registers are nothing but a combination of flip-flops. So each flip-flop has one bit of information. If we require 3-bit shift register means we need 3 flip-flop. 4-bit shift register means we require 4 flip-flops because flip-flop is a 1-bit storage element. Okay. Next class we will see the shift registers in detail. Okay. Okay. Thank you.